This is Concept UFO. It is a brand new gaming device from Alienware that may or may not come out in the near future. I got to see it in person at CES, and I have a lot of things to say about it. But yeah, it's a concept, so it's not gonna come out anytime soon. It's not gonna come out this year, maybe not next year, or maybe never. It's just an idea that they put out there. It works okay, but it's something that they have, it's working, and they want to see feedback. They want to see how people react to it. They want to see what people will pay for this. So first, let's talk about the specifications, at least the specification that they told us. And I guess they don't want you to judge it on the specifications. They want you to judge it on like, hey, look, it works, and it's pretty cool, and that's true. So it has an 8-inch touchscreen, and it is powered by a 10th generation Intel processor. So that's all we know in terms of specifications. Let's move on to the controllers. The controllers, they're detachable, so you can play it just like a Nintendo Switch. I know in the comments everyone's gonna be like, it looks like a Nintendo Switch. But that's not new. We've seen gaming products like this before, with the screen in the middle and the two controllers. The Nintendo Switch, I think they were kind of the first one to make it popular to have the controllers detachable and then attach it to a regular controller so you can use it separately. So yeah, it works just like a Nintendo Switch. Let's just get that out there. So I got to try 2 games. I forgot what it was, some kind of racing game. I forgot what it was. I'm not really big on racing games. And also Mortal Kombat 11, which I love. So my first experience, it was pretty light. I don't know exactly how much it weighed, but it was pretty light. A little bit heavier than a Nintendo Switch, but pretty light. It is portable. It is something that I can imagine putting in my bag, and it won't, you know, make it too heavy. Lighter than a gaming laptop. A gaming laptop, at least you can do work on it. This thing, you can take it on the go, but you can't really do work on it. It has a USB-C port. I think it has 2 USB-C ports. In theory, you could use it as a desktop in a weird way. You could hook it up to a monitor and hook up like a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, I imagine. And it runs Windows 10, by the way. So yeah, you kind of could, if you wanna, this is weird. So if you really want to enter emails or like maybe edit a video, you could do that, I guess. But that's not what it's made for. It's made for gaming. I like the idea that, you know, right now we got PlayStation Now, we got Xbox Game Pass, of course all the games on Steam, we got the Epic Game Store, so we have so many platforms to get thousands of games. You've got so many games you can play. We're at the point right now where games that were console exclusive, you can play on a gaming laptop with Xbox Game Pass, so you can play like Halo and Gears of War on this device and without having an Xbox. I never bought an Xbox, but now I can play Gears of War on this thing and on my gaming laptop. That is pretty awesome, and I would like to play that on something like this. The main concern is how much is it gonna cost. I hope they make something out of this. So I'm gonna end this video right now because I could end up talking about this device for probably 20 minutes to an hour. And I probably will get on someone's podcast and talk about this for like an hour. That's gonna be fun. Hit that subscribe button because I got plenty of CES videos. I got too many CES videos. I've recorded a bunch of PC gaming stuff, weird gadgets, dancing robots. I don't know why that's in my mind. I did a video with dancing robots. A lot of weird stuff from CES. This is my first CES, so I'm excited to show you guys all this stuff. I am not excited to edit all this stuff. That is a lot of work. So I'm gonna end this video now. Again, hit the subscribe button and follow me on Twitter at TechGeekNelson.